Speak everybody.
Yes. So we will use V3 technique for the vocabulary, for the anything, okay, which you want to memorize, which you want to recall. So V1 stands for visualize. Whatever word, I'm saying word, okay. For example, if I say rainy, what you visualize? Dushyant and Santanu. And anyone more?
Yes,
Anyone? Yes. Yes.
We are visualizing rain.
Rain or mesmerizing weather and cloudy. So all the things we visualize, then this word will
memorized.
yes, memorize. Second V2. Second V2 stands for second technique. It stands for
Verbalization.
verbalize.
Verbalization.
Everyone, please
Verbalization.
verbalize. Kashinath, Anita, Nitin, Santanu, Priyanka.
Verbalize.
Verbalize. Why verbalizing is important? Who will tell me? Kashinath.
Speaking loudly will memorize the words.
Memorize the word
You have to repeat.
and verbalize is why important?
For pronunciation.
Yes. To correct. Again, come again. Who is speaking? Who is saying? Ranjit.
Yes, pronunciation.
Pronunciation. Okay. Pronunciation. Okay. So why verbalizing is important? To correct our pronunciation. Right? Varsa? Okay.
Pronunciation.
Yes. V3. V3 stands for
Vitalization.
Vitalization. In this case, what is the exact meaning of the vitalization? Yes.
We have to create the surrounding.
Create the sentences surrounding yourself. Okay, whatever you are framing the sentences surrounding yourself. Right? Why it is? Why? Because it is familiar to me. It would be familiar to me when we create sentences by using some words related to my surrounding, तो वो हमें अच्छे से लर्न होगा. हम किसी और पे बना के बोलेंगे तो वो भूल जाएंगे, है ना? So that is a V3 technique here. We will use in our vocabulary. Okay. Now game तो रह गया हमारा. There only 12 participant has been joined, and in that 3 is not participating. Okay, so what should I? चलो तो our first game हम देखते हैं. Taboo. What is a taboo game? What is a taboo game? Anyone knows? Taboo? Anyone? Who tell me? Nitin, Shantanu, who tell me? Taboo. Yes, wonderful evening, Priyanka. I think you are also first time joining.
No, ma'am.
No? Okay. Maybe. Yes. Yes, tell me. What is a taboo game? So, see. क्या होता ना? I am giving you one word. Okay? हम एक word आपको देंगे. ठीक है? आपको क्या करना होगा? You have to explain whatever I given to you word. आपको उसके अलग words बताने होंगे. या you can say synonym. आप इसको synonym भी बोल सकते हो. उसके other word में आप क्या बोलोगे उससे? Right?
Antony.
Yes?
Antony. Antony.
That is
Synonym antony.
Synonym sentence. So I'm not talking about sentence, only word. Word to word. Okay?
Ma'am, just I give you an example. Just love, the synonym word is affection. That way, this way, ma'am.
हाँ, तो many more thing. ऐसा नहीं कि बस एक ही जो बोल के आप चुप हो जाएंगे. बस एक ही नहीं.
अच्छा.
Okay? So, जैसे मैंने बोला good. If I say good, tell me what is another words?
Care.
What would be the? Yes.
Better.
Care.
If yes,
better,
Care, care.
good,
Fair, fair.
care,
Yes.
Yes.
good का care होगा. This is
good,
totally
better,
different.
Fair.
Yes,
Goodest.
Varsha?
better, better,
Better. अगर अलग हाँ,
Fair,
okay,
fair,
done. Yes,
Yes.
fair,
Best.
Fair.
okay. Next. Yes, Kashinath. First, use. In
Best.
today's session, we have to. Yes, start.
nice,
Yadvinder, sing.
Nice.
Welcome, dear.
Nice.
nice,
Nice. Good. Nice. Okay. Santanu, Anita.
Excellent.
Nitin, speak out.
Excellent,
Perfect.
ma'am. Excellent.
Excellent.
Superb.
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 Wonderful.
Fabulous.
Nice.
Fabulous.
Nice.
Wonderful.
Wonderful.
Fantabulous.
Yes.
Fantabulous.
Fantabulous.
Fabulous.
Marvelous.
Nice case.
Awesome.
accurate, accurate,
Awesome. Kashinath, why you are so silent? First you tell me.
No.
accurate, ma'am, accurate,
If you learn with the enjoyable, then it will be more interactive. It will be more feeling.
Great.
Fabulous.
Fine.
Yes. Okay. Chalo. If I say bad, bad, bad.
Bad.
worse,
Worst.
Worst.
One by one. Bad.
Worst.
Poor.
Okay. Worst, poor, and
Ugly. Ugly.
okay.
Unhealthy.
Unhealthy. Bad को unhealthy. No, you can't say.
Ugly. Ugly.
Ugly भी नहीं.
harmful,
Ugly तो
That
बदसूरत
is the complexion.
Harmful.
Ugly means बदसूरत.
imperfect,
Okay.
Unimportant.
आप you can use
Terrible.
also.
Crucial.
Uh,
Crucial.
Disgust.
Yadvinder, you want to say?
irritated,
Shantanu, Dushant, everyone. Nitin.
Terrible, ma'am. Terrible.
Terrible.
harmful,
Who is
ma'am,
saying terrible? Terrible.
Yes, ma'am.
Terrible is also
Yes.
na. Good.
Yes.
Terrible.
harmful,
Crucial, man.
Huh?
Crucial.
Yes. Nitin,
Awful.
your voice is not clear. Your voice is not clear because your mic is please huh.
Awful. Awful.
irritated,
Crucial.
Often.
Awful. Awful.
Yes, Priyanka.
Awful, ma'am. Awful.
Acha,
Awful.
awful. Okay. That is it. Now, big.
Giant.
Large.
Giant.
Large.
Giant.
Giant.
Large.
Giant.
large,
largest,
Giant.
Large.
Try.
Okay.
Huge.
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 Giant. Large.
Use.
Massive.
Giant.
Who
Large.
is saying massive? Who is saying? Massive किसने बोला? अरे बाबा
Yes.
सही है. So that's what I'm
Yes.
saying ना. I'm asking.
Yes.
किसने? Massive. Big.
Massive.
हाँ.
Big.
Massive. हम बोल सकते हैं.
Massive.
Advanced. You have to replace na ordinary words with the advanced word. Okay. Now and small.
Micro.
Tiny.
Micro.
Tiny.
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 Little.
Micro.
Tiny.
Micro.
little,
Okay.
little,
Good. Okay. Good. Little. Okay. Okay.
Limited.
हाँ.
Limited.
Limited. Little small में limited you can say, but it is not exact word ना little का. Okay, हाँ. But if you see, अगर आप उसको advanced version में देखोगे तो tiny is a good word, not a little.
Yes.
The other word, tiny is a good word. Good
Micro.
word.
Tiny.
Micro is also, but
Mini.
you use all the time.
Mini.
This word. No, tiny you can use. That is something. If you use, then it's okay. So, इतने simple words में तो आप लोग stuck हो रहे हैं. चलो. Yes, Kashinath, you are not participating, huh? It is not good. Acha,
No,
in
ma'am, I am
grammar session, how many of you completed या starting the tense? किसने कौन सा tense कोई start कर रहा है कोई भी? किसने ले लिया tenses?
Yes.
Mahinu.
Reshma.
Yes.
Mahinu.
I'm unable. Sorry. I'm hearing. मतलब what I'm saying. What I'm asking. Yes. I'm audible to everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Audible.
ma'am.
Why your
Yes, ma'am.
picture will stop? Okay. चलो से.
Your
Yes.
picture is
My picture is not stucking, na? चलो
No,
ठीक.
ma'am.
no. Your picture is also stucky.
Okay. So how many of you taking the tenses? कौन से लोग session tense का ले रहे हैं? Please.
Ma'am, I have missed classes of tenses actually.
You miss.
I have missed, yes, ma'am, I have missed
Okay.
3-4
I'm
classes of tenses
Taking
going to
on
start
continuous
our,
basis. I have missed.
if within few weeks
completed
we
5
will
classes.
start our tenses, then you can join. Okay.
Okay.
Whenever I'm sending the link in the no limit. If I'm sending no limit, so okay. Yes. So yes, Chandan, Santanu, Ranjit. Acha, Varsa, you are also taking. Good. Varsa is so serious while taking the vocabulary session. Only, well, she is a listener. And but she give response very fast. देती response बहुत fast है. मैंने तो सोचा कि वर्षा नहीं देगी response, लेकिन वर्षा is good. Yes. What I'm saying. तो आप लोग tenses ले रहे हो ना? तो मैं कैसे?
Yes, ma'am.
Sujit. Shashi Shekhar is not participating because he is in traveling. Okay. Yes. Yes. Sujit, are you taking the tenses session? Yes, tell me fast. Because we don't have a time now so much. So that's why I'm saying. Fast, tell me. That is a grammar acting. That is a grammar part because now I am a grammar coach. So that's why I'm playing with the game by helping the grammar. So I just want to change. चलो मैं एक सिंपल सा सेंटेंस देती हूँ टू काशीनाथ ये सो साइलेंट चलो काशीनाथ चलो
No. Yes.
then after Chandan will ready Santanu okay yes I'm not asking those person are first time joining I'm not saying okay yes काशीनाथ if
Yes.
मैं एक सेंटेंस आपको देती हूँ I am taking the session. Which tense? कौन सा tense है?
Present.
Present
Present
continuous.
continuous.
Present
Okay,
continuous.
good, Santanu.
Present
Present
Good.
continuous.
Present continuous. Okay.
Present continuous.
Am and ing both.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, present continuous.
I am helping verb and ing.
ing, helping verb.
Right. Okay. Yes, I'm taking the session. This is a present continuous. Now,
Continuous.
Kashinath, what you have to do? You have to frame all the present structure. यानी present simple, present continuous तो ये है ही है. Present simple, present continuous, present perfect, indefinite and present perfect continuous.
Perfect.
Within second. First, past, tell me.
I take the session. I am taking the session. I have been taking the session.
I had taken the session.
No. Yes.
I
Stop.
have taken.
Game one by one.
I
Yes.
have taken the session.
Okay.
I
I have
Good.
taken the session.
Priyanka.
I have
Priyanka,
taken
wait.
the session.
हाँ,
I have
want.
been taking the session. I have been taking the session. Fourth one.
For
2 hours.
Fourth one is the I have been taking the session
I have been
for
taking
2 hours.
You are okay. Yes, Chandan, create the past tenses. Tara, इसको आप past में create करिए fast.
I take the session.
Past.
I was taking the session. I had taken session. I had been taking a session.
Okay, is it right? Is
Ma'am,
it right?
I took the session.
Yes.
Took the
Yes.
session. Okay.
Shantanu, create the
Yes.
future. Detail, create the future.
I will take the session. I will be taking the session. I will have been taking the session.
I will have taken the session.
I will
I
have
will have taken
taken
the
the
session.
session.
Taking
Take
the
the
I
session.
will
session.
have been taking the session for 3 hours.
For 3
I shall
hours.
have to take. I shall
Yes,
have to
yes.
take the session.
Anita, yes.
I shall
sh-
have to take the
I-
session.
I shall.
Have to take the session.
No. What you are saying, I shall have.
Yes. I shall
I
take
shall.
the session.
कि
I
I
shall
will.
take the session.
I shall. कि I will.
Madam, if it is with I, cannot we say shall instead of will?
Okay.
I am
Now,
asking, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Great. But while framing this sentence, only simple sentence,
Yes.
are you notice
Yes.
you are stucking? I want to be a fluent, but I'm not framing the sentence, simple sentences into all the structure within second. I'm stucking. Especially in which tenses? किस tense में हम stuck हो रहे थे generally?
Future.
Perfect continuous.
Perfect continuous.
You should have to more clarify na what is a perfect, okay, and where we use. Acha, what is the difference between continuous, simple continuous, and perfect continuous? Anita, tell me what is the difference between simple continuous and perfect continuous? Ranjit,
Ma'am.
I am taking the session that is simple
Okay.
continuous tense.
okay,
Yes.
okay.
And simple perfect. I
No,
have been
perfect continuous. Simple
Perfect continuous.
and perfect
Yes,
continuous. हाँ. क्या डिफरेंस है? क्या डिफरेंस है?
Ma'am, can I?
No, Priyanka, no. I'm not giving. Okay, wait. Who those are not speaking? So that's why, dear. Wait.
Okay.
Yeah, Sujit. Wait, Anita, wait. Sujit and Nitin. Ranjit, you tell me. You tell me.
What about ma'am?
What is the difference between simple continuous? I'm not saying
And perfect.
प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूअस, पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस, फ्यूचर कॉन्टिन्यूअस. मैंने बस सिंपल एक चीज पूछा, एक सिंपल कॉन्टिन्यूअस में और परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस में व्हाट इज द मेन डिफरेंस बिटवीन?
Ma'am, simple continuous is which is going on right now. Like we are attending the season now. This is simple
Okay.
continuous.
Okay.
And perfect means just I have just completed the I have just completed the season. Session was just going on that time. That time session was going on. I was attended the season.
कॉन्टिन्यूअस में भी है ये, सिंपल कॉन्टिन्यूअस में भी वही है कि एक्शन इज कंटिन्यू व्हाइल स्पीकिंग एट द टाइम ऑफ स्पीकिंग है. Yes, Sujit.
You are
Sushant, Shantanu, Dushyant, you want to
Yes.
say Shantanu Mandal?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, it's verb, past verb, ing is all things usable. Continuous.
Okay, that's it. Shantanu Mandal, tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
Present continuous.
both of you Shantanu Mandal. Oh, wow. Great. A big. Yes. So, yes. Now,
Yes.
next, second Shantanu version.
Yes, present continuous means working is going on, but perfect continuous there is the sometimes during time is working, ma'am.
अच्छा चलो, हाँ, एक सेकंड. I will let you explain. Suno, yes. Sujit, you want to
Ma'am,
say?
I can.
हाँ,
Ma'am,
wait.
can
I'm giving two chance, Priyanka. Sujit, you want to say?
Ma'am, can I?
Wait. Priyanka, wait. Unmute.
Okay.
Unmute, Sujit. Dushyant, you want to say? No. Kashinath, you want to say? Acha, nahi, you told.
Actually,
Yes,
I
Priyanka,
want
tell
to
me.
know.
Tell me, Priyanka.
Actually, I want to know whether I am correct or not.
हाँ, tell me.
That's why I am. Okay. Ma'am, I am taking the classes means my classes are running. मतलब अभी I am taking your class. means the class is running, and I have taken the, ma'am, what is the sentence? I forgot. I have
Perfect
been
continuous.
taking. I have been taking the classes.
Join my grammar
For
session. Yes.
some time.
Okay, ma'am. I have been taking the classes means I have been taking the classes for a long time. Means it is continuous from a long time.
अच्छा देखो yes, okay,
Ma'am.
yes, okay, something is right. Yes, whenever we are talking about the action is continue while speaking, that time we use simple continuous tense. जैसे I am taking the session, मैं सेशन ले रहा हूं, लेकिन जैसे ही मैंने उसमें टाइम डाल दिया, टाइम समय डाल दिया, that time we have to apply perfect continuous. That is a major difference. ठीक है? चंदन, नितिन, शांतनु,
Yes.
मैम
ओके,
फिर से समझा नहीं मैम।
जैसे अच्छा अभी बता रही, जैसे अभी आप अगर कहते आई एम टेकिंग द सेशन, दैट इज अ नॉर्मल कॉन्टिन्यूअस। ओके, आप सेशन ले रहे हो एट द टाइम ऑफ स्पीकिंग, आप बोल भी रहे हो, सेशन ले रहे हो। इफ यू से परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस इज ऑल्सो रनिंग सेंटेंसेस एट द टाइम ऑफ स्पीकिंग, लेकिन उसमें आप समय डाल देते हो। जैसे मैं 9 बजे से सेशन ले रहा हूं। अनीता, आर यू गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? मैं 9 बजे से सेशन ले रहा हूं। अगर आपको ये बोलना होगा तो विच टेंस यू अप्लाई?
प्रेजेंट
I have been taking the session from
मैं सेशन 9 बजे से ले रहा था।
I had been taking the session from
Since
9
o'clock.
Yes, I had been taking the session.
I
अच्छा,
had been.
when we use since exact point of time, exact point of time, yes,
For exact point of time.
हाँ, जब मैं 9 बजे से कर रहा हूँ, 9 बजे से, जून से, मतलब आई एम टेकिंग द IDQ सेशन what since June या for June?
Since June.
जब एग्जैक्ट टाइम आप दोगे तो वहां सिंस लगाओगे, पीरियड ऑफ टाइम में वहां पे फॉर लगाओगे। दैट इज इनफ। नाउ वी हैव ओवर द गेम। अब हम ये गेम नहीं खेलना बिकॉज आवर 9:41। यस, सो टुडे, सो हाउ वाज द गेम? हाउ वाज द गेम? योर मेंटल exercise, how was
Fantastic.
Excellent.
now we have to use now, dear. That is
Fantastic, fabulous.
yes, that is the
It was excellent.
that is a simple exercise of the brain. When you use a tongue twister, that is a use of mouth exercise, muscle exercise. And when you use this type of small taboo words, when you use this type of sentences in a game, so your brain exercise and your sentences will more beautiful, okay, or it will more clear related to our tenses also. Okay, Nitin, Chandan, good, nice. चलो, come to the point. But ना, हमने टेबू गेम अच्छे से खेला नहीं, मैंने सिंपल टेंस लिया। दैट इज मेरा बैड थिंग ना, सिंपल टेंस लिया मैंने। हमने पुराना से वो मैंने फर्स्ट आप मेरे को बताइए व्हाट इज अगर हमें ये बोलना हो थारोली किसी चीज को, रीड या रीड दिस थारोली मतलब आपको प्रिसाइज वे में, मतलब बहुत ही आप उसको आप मतलब गहराई से पढ़ो, गहराई से समझो, मतलब बहुत सीरियसली समझो। तो व्हाई व्हाट अब नाउ आई एम आस्किंग फ्रॉम माय
read from the depth,
whatever I took my session and then I am asking, yes, tell me.
Deep diving.
read from the depth,
Okay, other
depth,
other
read from the depth, read from the depth,
remember in our
Read
last
thoroughly.
meticulous,
In detail.
meticulous.
Meticulous.
Remember meticulous, what is a attention, पूरा देना किसमें, every small things पे, छोटी छोटी चीजों पे, meticulous. चलो
Meticulous.
meticulous भी छोड़ दो, meticulous भी छोड़ दो. अगर हम कोई बोलते हैं ना कि अगर इफ यू या किसी हार्ड सिचुएशन से बाहर निकल के आते हो तो दैट टाइप ऑफ पर्सन को आप क्या बोलोगे? यस
Resilience.
हाँ,
Resilient.
resilient, yes, resilient, okay, resilient, okay, good. So likewise you have to say, if agar I say caring person या caring या concerned या
Compassionate.
understanding, चंदन वर्षा नितिन क्या
Compassionate.
बोलोगे उसे?
Compassionate.
वाओ, compassionate. now
Compassionate.
काशीनाथ जी का हो रहा है एक्टिवेट. यस. अच्छा, इफ आई से क्या अगर मैं कहूँ, अच्छा वो तो आप समझ ही गए, प्रैक्टिकल मुझे
Pragmatic.
कहना हो तो विच वर्ड वी यूज?
Pragmatic.
pragmatic. everyone pronounce. yes. अच्छा,
Pragmatic.
अगर मुझे ये कहना हो कि जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल मैंने कुछ किया, आप लोग अच्छे से मोटिवेट हो गए, कन्विंस हो गए, तो उस पर्सन को क्या बोलोगे जिससे आप फ्लुएंस होते हो, इन्फ्लुएंस होते हो आप लोग?
Persuasive.
Persuasive. yes. strong, impactful telling, मतलब जो भी अच्छे से आदमी किया और आप उससे
Charismatic.
हाँ,
Charismatic.
engaging. हाँ, if you want to say this session is a very engaging, तो engaging के जगह पे आप क्या बोल सकते हो सेशन को? charismatic session. Am I right?
Yes.
Am I right, everyone? Yes. Oh, okay.
Yes.
Okay. But today now, why students are very low? Why? कहीं गेम के नाम पे लोगों ने यूज तो नहीं है कि भाई गेम में मैम इसका मतलब सबसे पूछेंगी. So that's why I am not attending the today session, isn't it? Now, what is the today topic? I'm going to show my slide here. Okay, wait. Yes. So today we are going to learn some powerful vocabulary, isn't it? Is it visible? Is it visible, everyone?
Yes. Strategy.
So powerful vocabulary for what? For what? We are going to learn today powerful vocabulary, a brilliant, मतलब basic to brilliant vocabulary to upgrade our personality, right? तो अपग्रेड क्यों हम ले रहे हैं? हम क्यों ले रहे हैं? Why we are taking the vocabulary session?
To enhance our word model.
Enhance our word power, to upgrade our personality. Okay, so today we will learn some beautiful, some brilliant vocab to basic to. Okay, yes. Now from basic to brilliant vocabulary. Okay, so yeah, just 6 vocabulary links. What you have to this is also a game. There is a 6 vocabulary links. Okay, join the dot and see how strong your words skills. Okay, क्या करना है? Now here one side is basic word. Yes, who will speak? Varsha, read this. Basic. Left hand. Easy to understand की line ना. Yes.
Easy to understand, grand hospitality, very calm, transform, combine, very, I think careful.
Very careful.
Yeah.
That is a basic. That is a basic word. Now, and second line is a advanced. Okay. Now, whatever you have intuition या you have to knowledge, आपको उसे क्या करना है? You have to match it and write it into your copy. आपको कॉपी में बस उसको आंसर को लिख देना है. After that we will discuss on this. जो भी आपको पता है कि किसका easy to understand किसका होगा, कंपोज्ड होगा कि लेविश होगा कि विजिलेंट होगा कि ल्यूसिड होगा, अमलगमेट होगा या कैटलाइज होगा, वी विल डिस्कस। आपको अभी क्या करना है, मैचिंग द वर्ड फास्ट, एवरीवन डू इट।
Grand hospitality, lavish.
No, don't say here, Kashan, only matching the word, okay? बस आप अपने माइंड में रखिए कि इसका ये होगा। Today is a game in my vocabulary session. Yes, Dushyant, Shantanu Mandal 1 and Shantanu Mandal 2. Both have you. Sujit. Okay, Nitin, you are not speaking anything, huh? Okay. Yes.
Ma'am, slide, don't change the slide.
Yes. Yes, Anita. Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am, very well.
So what is the last word, ma'am? Very
careful.
okay.
See guys, you have to not participate in our session, in my session at least. Okay, you join this session to enhance, to speak. If you want to become a confident speaker, then you have to participate. You have to create the sentences in your word. Okay, otherwise you can see recording. Why you are joining? There is no hard and fast rule here. Only make mistake. Is good, but frame the sentences.
Ma'am, we have to frame the sentences, or we have to
No.
match
This time
it.
you have to match it. आपको match करना है.
Okay.
After when we
Okay,
explain, then you have to make fast. Okay.
Yes.
Done everyone. हो गया
Not
रंजीत, नितिन.
done, ma'am.
Not done.
Not done कि done?
Not done.
Everyone, okay. If have completed, then please thumbs up. But we don't have a time so much. Okay. Good. Yes. But in next session, we will play the game in our last. After the session, then we will play. Yes,
Done.
okay. Done? Okay. Everyone done? Anita, Ranjit, Nitin, okay. Sujit, done?
मैं तो फर्स्ट टाइम में ये वर्ड्स सुन रहा हूँ
अच्छा
तो
then
मुझको
then
थोड़ा
it's
अंडरस्टैंड नहीं हो पा रहा हूँ मैं
तब कोई दिक्कत नहीं today we are here to explain. We are here, no issue everything.
That's madam.
You will learn step by step, no issue. Yes, so shall we move?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Great. So yeah, now common expression क्या है? हम लोग जनरली यूज करते हैं very careful, be a careful बोलते हैं ना उसे, तो हम उसके जगह पे क्या बोलेंगे? very careful की जगह पे हम क्या बोलेंगे?
Vigilant.
Pronounce this word. Vigilant means very careful. Very careful. That is the adjective. Okay.
Adjective. Right.
Okay. Adjective क्या होता है पता है ना? Anita.
Yes.
And who is saying? Priyanka.
Yes, ma'am.
Quality. Yeah.
Quality.
Quality of the?
That shows quality of the subject. Noun. Pronoun.
Okay. जैसे tall man.
She is very beautiful girl.
Yes, beautiful girl, tall, handsome boy. तो क्या ये सब चीजें? हम किसकी विशेषता बता रहे हो? तो नाउन की या प्रोनाउन की. Okay. Yeah. So vigilant. Vigilant.
Vigilant.
Okay.
Okay.
Correct.
So now, vigilant. So, what is the vigilant? Frame the sun. Read this one. Sujit, read this one. First one line. First line. Sujit. Fast.
Parents must stay vigilant regarding their children's online browsing habits.
Parents must stay vigilant regarding
Vigilant,
their children's online browsing habits. Okay.
Right, ma'am.
Santanu
Okay.
Mandal, red
Yes,
t-shirt.
sir.
So read this one.
Second.
Red t-shirt. Yes.
Yes. Business owners need to be vigilant about shifting market competitors.
Competitors.
Yes.
Okay.
Competitors.
Vigilant.
Yes. Vigilant.
Okay.
Yes.
Now, vigilant. Now you frame the sentences. How you will frame.
Shall I first?
Who is? Yes, Ranjit. Start. Vigilant.
To always stay vigilant during the session of IDQ.
Very good. Very good.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can I say?
Yes.
Can I?
Everyone has to be vigilant while making decisions.
Priyanka, your video is stuck here. Whenever you speak now, you are stucking. Yes. Anyone other? Varsha.
Everyone
Kashinath.
has to be vigilant.
Ma'am,
Yes, Priyanka, tell me.
Everyone has to be vigilant while making decisions.
Yes, while making decision, everyone has to be. Yes, Kashinath.
The Indian government must be vigilant while dealing with the current agitation done by CGP, Cockroach Janata Party.
Good. Good sentence. But you are creating your own self. आप अपने से बना रहे हो sentence?
Yes.
I think something is missing from your side. Okay, if you frame, then well good. Well good. Okay. First start the simple sentence. Yes, Varsha.
Ma'am,
you
Varsha.
have to vigilant when you got angry.
When you got
Angry.
envy.
Angry.
Acha. Angry. When you get angry, you have to stay more vigilant. You have to stay vigilant when you get angry. Okay. Yes, Dushyant.
ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am. The security guard was vigilant all night.
Yes, the security guard. Again?
Was vigilant all night.
Vigilant all night. Good. Dushyant.
Be vigilant while crossing the road.
Yes, be vigilant while crossing the road. Yes, who left? Nitin, Chandan. I'm not leaving to anyone, Chandan. Don't hide and seek. Chandan, speak out.
Yes, ma'am. Everyone observe vigilant during the IDQ classes.
Everyone, observe.
Observe vigilant during the IDQ classes.
Everyone should vigilant while during the session. ये होगा sentence. चलो, for example, vigilant security guard is prevented the thief. Is it right? Vigilant security guard is prevented the thief. क्या बोलते हैं इसको हिंदी में? क्या इसका मीनिंग होगा नितिन? जो सतर्क, क्या बोलते हैं विजिलेंट को? केयरफुल को हिंदी में क्या बोलेंगे? सतर्क जो होते हैं वो क्या रोकते हैं?
चोरों को रोकते हैं.
In our society, vigilant security guard. Next, parents should vigilant. What about their
children?
Activity. Is it right? पेरेंट को सतर्क होना चाहिए ना अपने चिल्ड्रन की एक्टिविटी को लेकर के. पेरेंट्स शुड vigilant about their children's activity. Okay. The doctor stayed vigilant during surgery. देखो कितना सिंपल सिंपल सेंटेंसेस है. यू कैन फ्रेम ना. विजिलेंट ड्राइवर कैन, क्या करता है? विजिलेंट
Prevent
कैन,
Drive safely.
prevent accident.
यस, या
Prevent
अवॉइड
accident.
एक्सीडेंट यू कैन से, या प्रिवेंट
Avoid
एक्सीडेंट
prevent accidents. Yes.
यू कैन यूज. हम कहते हैं ना बहुत ही सिंपल सेंटेंस बनाइए, देन योर वर्ड, देन इट दिस वर्ड वुड बी मोर मीनिंगफुल. यस, नाउ
It's vigilant across the road. Cross the road.
यस सुजीत.
We
अच्छा,
want a vigilant cross the road.
We have to be vigilant before crossing the road.
yes. Now
Already spoken.
going to show other words. Okay, next. Move to the next. Yes. So easy to understand. This is a common word. All the
Use it.
time we use. Easy to understand. चलो अब उसकी जगह हम क्या यूज करेंगे? If we replace this
Lucid.
word, what we use?
Yes.
Lucid.
Lucid.
Lucid. Lucid.
Lucid.
Lucid.
Lucid.
Frame the.
Lucid.
Easy to understand. Lucid.
Easy to understand.
चलो अभी लॉन्ग सेंटेंसेस नहीं देखिए, अभी आप सिंपल सेंटेंसेस यू शुड हैव टू क्रिएट सिंपल सेंटेंस. Lucid. While using this word lucid, please frame the one sentences at least.
My
Now,
answer was very lucid.
yes, dear. This is also adjective. Okay. Yes.
Preeti ma'am decision is always lucid.
Great. Easy to understand. Yes. All IDQ coaches gave lucid explanation while taking the session. Lucid explanation. होता है ना?
Lucid.
Easy to understand. मतलब ऐसा explanation देते हैं जो सबके समझने के लायक होता है.
Ma'am, it is a lucid activity.
Yeah, today's session. Lucid activity. Preeti ma'am is doing lucid activity. Easy to understand वाली activity कराया. Yes. Now, this time Nitin turns. Nitin Vishal will frame the sentence by using lucid. Lucid word को use करते हुए आप बनाइए. Nitin, I'm waiting for your sentence.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, wait, ma'am.
Lucid. कोई भी simple sentence बनाइए. Lucid मतलब easy to understand. आप अपने surrounding को लेते हुए बनाइए. Yes. My in presentation, my boss explained what? My boss explained his presentation in a lucid way. Easy to understand way में. Am I right?
Ma'am,
Yes,
this
Sujit.
book is lucid. This book is lucid.
The book explained. This book explained grammar in a lucid manner.
Right.
In
Yeah,
a
she
lucid.
spoke in a lucid way. ये भी हो सकता है मैम.
क्या? Again, come again.
She spoke in a lucid way.
तो she spoke. उसने बोला.
In a lucid way.
That is a good. She did speak in a lucid way. You can also use this type. आप इस तरीके से भी बोल सकते हैं. थोड़ा सा impressive लगना चाहिए. Okay? Spoke.
Okay, ma'am.
सही है. Spoke is
Ma'am.
right. Okay, according to the tenses. But she did speak. She did speak in a lucid way. अब which one is more impressive? Tell me. Okay, तो आप कह सकते हो. Okay, sir. Her presentation, her session was simple and lucid. You can say.
Right.
Chandan wrote.
Yes, ma'am.
Chandan did write a lucid example. lucid report. चंदन ने लिखा आसानी से समझ आने वाला एग्जाम्पल. आई एम गिविंग अ सिंपल एग्जाम्पल जस्ट. ओके, lucid example. Dushyant, you want to frame?
Her writing is lucid.
Her writing is lucid. Yes. कुछ डॉक्टर्स को लेके आप बना सकते हो. डॉक्टर में अनीता, डॉक्टर में कहाँ आप lucid यूज कर सकते हो? I want to check your. Yes.
Doctor explained the health issues in a lucid way.
Yes.
Doctor
Yes.
has explained the patient's health issues in a lucid way.
Yes.
Doctor writes the prescription in a lucid way.
Oh, you can easy to understand writing lucid way.
Yes.
I think you will say doctor's writing is not a lucid way.
No.
Yes, ma'am. Doctor's
Some
writing
doctors
never been a lucid way.
Ah, yes. Okay. Yes. Next. Move to the next. Next. Okay. Yes. Now you can read this fast. Sujit, read this sentence.
इसका मैम दोबारा सेंटेंस बनाना कि मेरे को
नहीं,
सेंटेंस पढ़ना
आपको
है?
बस इस सेंटेंस को पढ़ना है. I want to read you, please. I want
Okay.
you to read. हाँ.
The professor
Professors.
lucid teaching style made advanced statistics simple of everyone.
For everyone. Yes. Nitin, read this second. Nitin dear, switch on your camera.
Yes, ma'am.
Read this second.
The manager gave a highly lucid explanation of the complex database architecture.
Yes. The manager gave a highly lucid explanation. मतलब आप ये बोल सकते हो नितिन कि I gave a lucid explanation most of time. देखो बहुत सिंपल मैंने दिया ना. मैं देता हूँ lucid explanation. I give lucid feedback after the session. अगर आप सर्च करोगे ना, you will find out. Very simple example.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, just add something here, ma'am. Actually, sometimes I had ma'am, applied the words to others, ma'am. I found that many of people so they are not unable to understand this type of word. I'm the vocabulary, like ma'am, just now I have learned lucid and vigilant, like benevolent and lovey-dovey. Many people are not able to understand, ma'am.
Hunky dory.
Hunky-dory.
Yes. How are you? Yes. Everything is hunky dory. So Ranjit, I can understand. एक बात बताओ Ranjit, let me tell you one thing.
Yes, ma'am.
Why you are learning this advanced communication? First you tell me.
For my knowledge.
Okay, for your upgradation, for your enhance your everything, for your impressive to become impressive speaker, isn't it? Right. हाँ, तो साथ में आपको बेसिक वर्ड भी दिए जा रहे हैं. ठीक है, बेसिक वर्ड. मोस्ट ऑफ टाइम विच टाइप ऑफ पर्सन यू हैव टू फेस. अधिकतर आपको किस टाइप के पर्सन को फेस करना है? अपने से एडवांस लेवल को फेस करना है. इन योर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, इन योर प्रोफेशन. एम आई राइट? राइट. ठीक है, तो उस समय आप इसे दिस वर्ड्स को all these words you can use. Okay, but whenever you use these words in surrounding yourself now, both words you have to use. First you use lucid way. First you can say, yeah, really, yeah, her lecture is a very lucid, in a very lucid way na, easy to understand na. Is likewise you have to say. आपको दोनों बोलना होगा अपने सराउंडिंग में जिसे लगता है कि उसे नहीं समझ में आ रहा.
राइट मैम.
ये हम किसके लिए करेंगे? ये हम किसके लिए करेंगे? अपने लिए करेंगे. इसे हमें बेसिक भी याद होगा और एडवांस भी याद होगा. एंड नाउ when when we have to use this vocab, these words in front of any senior, any higher society, that time we use only advanced vocab, not a simple vocab.
Ma'am, I also found that some person who are highly skilled in English, they're also not able to understand this type of words.
Don't know,
like,
ना? they don't know, हाँ. So वहाँ पे भी आप ये कर सकते हो, दोनों यूज करना है. अगर if you are sitting in the office and your senior is giving a presentation and it is a very good, आपको very अच्छे समझ में आया, yes, अब अपने colleagues को कैसे बोलोगे? Yeah, her presentation, her topic is a very lucid way, ना? Isn't it? This is a very easy to understand. अब आपका दोनों इसमें यूज हुआ कि नहीं? Likewise, you have to apply.
Exactly, ma'am.
Getting everyone? Yes. Yes. Okay. Next. Yes. Anita, read this one. It's your turn up.
Grand hospitality, lavish.
Grand hospitality. Okay. Grand hospitality. Okay. What does it mean? Hospitality का मतलब क्या है? मुझे आप पहले ये बता दो. Yes. हॉस्पिटैलिटी में कौन कौन से सर्विस आते हैं?
जैसे कि
taking care and
yes Anita,
taking care and it can be said as humanity, that
Grand
is
welcome.
for developing
yes.
the society.
Okay, great. Yes, Ranjit.
Luxurious.
Okay.
Luxurious reception, like luxurious providing in hospital,
मतलब आप
hotel.
इसमें yes, you can say event management आप कर सकते हो, welcoming कर सकते हो ना, जो हम लोग किसी को हार्ट वेलकम करते हैं. ओके, टेकिंग केयर मोर, मतलब गेस्ट को जो हम लोग वेलकम करते हैं. ओके, मतलब इन ऑल होटल्स में ये चीजें मिलती हैं. ओके, एंड हम लोग शादी मैरिज में भी हम क्या करते हैं? ग्रैंड हॉस्पिटैलिटी करते हैं ना, लेविश. चलो, ग्रैंड जहां पे भी आपको शानदार, बहुत ही भव्य बोलना होगा, ग्रैंड हॉस्पिटैलिटी के जगह पे इंस्टेड ऑफ दिस प्लेस, दिस वर्ड लेविश. Okay, lavish. Yes, lavish. Yes. Anita, read this first one.
The community hosted a lavish welcome party for the guests at the residential club.
Good. Priyanka, read the second one. Anyone? Any there? Okay. So next, the Dushan.
She hosted a lavish dinner party for her friends last weekend.
Yes. She hosted a lavish dinner party for friends last weekend. Okay. Now you have to, what you have to do? Frame one sentences. Okay. On a lavish, grand hospitality. Okay. Yes. अगर हम कहें someone, yes.
Branch manager. The branch manager delivered a lavish party.
Yes.
Or the branch manager arranged lavish party in the meeting.
Yes. Good. Great. Other. Chandan.
Shall I?
Who? Yes.
Shall I, ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, the Arabian people lifestyle is lavish.
Yes. Great. Kashinath. Who? Yes.
My friend arranged the lavish reception after his marriage.
Yes. अब आप देखो, lavish reception. अभी तक आप क्या बोलते थे? बहुत ही अच्छी पार्टी, बहुत अच्छी शादी में से आते थे तो क्या बोलते थे? गुड रिसेप्शन. या अदर वर्ड सिंपल कोई?
Ma'am, the hotel is lavish.
The hotel services is a lavish. Okay, you can say.
हो सकता है या lives in
Hotel
lavish house.
hotel offers lavish room and services. हम लोग कहीं होटल में गए, चेक किया सारा चीज, एवरीथिंग वी विल चेक, ओके। अगर हमें उसे किसी के बताना हो, उसको उसके बारे में, होटल के बारे में या किसी के सर्विस के बारे में, तो कैसे बोलेंगे? He offers lavish services. He offers
Yeah.
lavish room. That hotel offers lavish room, यानी अच्छा रूम है, according to their party.
Right.
Right?
Right.
Right, everyone?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
अगर
I feel he has started with lavish opening ceremony.
yes, lavish. देखो है ना, isn't it magic? अब आप बोलो रंजीत, where is Ranjit? Lavish is a good. You can use lavish in your daily conversation. Lavish, lavish party, great party, awesome party,
Yes.
beautiful party. तो आप उसके
Yes.
जगह पे क्या बोलोगे instead of lavish?
Lavish.
Lavish
Great.
Great, प्रियंका।
समझता है।
हमें बस 2 वर्ड चाहिए, 2, नथिंग, कोई भी नहीं पूरे वीक में। अगर आप एक दिन, अच्छा आई विल टेल यू इन द लास्ट, ओके। सो चलो नेक्स्ट, anyone, Dushyant, you already you have made Yes, Priyanka, unmute, then speak. Yes. Anyone wants to make sentences on this lavish? Otherwise we will move.
I enjoyed a lavish dinner.
Yes. Nitin, you want to say?
Yes, ma'am. Some
Yeah.
hotel given to services given to his customer lavish services.
Lavish एकदम सिंपल वे में बनाइए ना। Some hotels offer a lavish services to the customer.
Ma'am, may I?
हाँ, yes.
My friend will be planning Valiant and Valish hotels.
Good. Very good. Yes, now move to the next. Yes. Transform, change. जहां मुझे यह बोलना हो, transform, change. That time, what you have to use?
Catalyze.
Catalyze. What is the meaning of catalyze? Something. Catalyze. This is a verb. Okay. Catalyze. Yes. Enrolling in a professional public speaking. Enrolling yourself in a IDQ course can catalyze your career growth. You can see. Implementing the new software tools will catalyze our team's daily productivity. Catalyze means
transform,
change. अभी तक हम change को transform बोलते थे. You can transform yourself. You can catalyze yourself. You can use this by using this vocabulary. Unmute Priyanka, Baba. I only.
I am here to catalyze myself.
Yes. I'm here to catalyze myself. Yes. Anyone other? Dushyant? Anyone? Anita? Frame the sentence.
Catalyze
Yes.
My dietitian helps me to catalyze my body transformation, body health.
Yes, you can say. Education catalyze personal development. Isn't it? करता है कि नहीं? What does it mean? Education catalyze our personal development. Varsa, isn't it dear?
Yes, ma'am. Your vocabulary session catalyzed me to speak in English.
My vocabulary, my every session is catalyzing. This is a verb, catalyzing to remove your fear, remove your hesitation. Isn't it?
Yes.
तो आसान है?
Dietitian catalyze my health.
Good. Good leaders. Good leaders can catalyze success. Your success. Good leaders can catalyze your success. Right, everyone? So move to the next.
Yes, ma'am.
Move to the next. Move to the next. Okay, we have yes. Very calm. Very calm. That is our last word. Very calm. Be a calm. Okay. So instead of this, what we should use? Composed. 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 Sujit, read this one first. Sujit.
1 minute, ma'am.
Then after Chandan, second.
He composed himself
He
before
composed.
handling the
Ma'am, show me that slide.
Yes, show me what?
Show me the slide of. Yes, ma'am. This one.
Okay, yes, yes. Now tell me. Read this.
Ma'am,
He
please
composed.
show me again.
Yes.
Ma'am, show me that slide. In
What
which
happened?
meaning is written.
Acha,
Slide.
meaning is it?
Automatically.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Whenever I'm sending the PDF, na, it will clear. Okay. Yes.
Okay.
Composed. Composed means
Very
Very
calm.
calm.
very
MS.
calm, very silent. Very मतलब इस
Very
silent आप
silent.
नहीं बोल सकते हो. That silent is a very physical way. Calm means inner way. That is your condition, mental condition. Calm क्या है? आपका mentally condition है. ठीक है? अंदर से शांत होना. ठीक है? तो who is reading? Chandan reading first.
He composed himself before handling the client complaint with a smile.
What does it mean? What is the meaning? वो अपने आप को बहुत शांत रखता है कस्टमर के कंप्लेन को सुनने से पहले, क्योंकि कस्टमर तो
Smile करता है.
वेरी बैडली भी कंप्लेन करने आते हैं ना. वेरी
Yes,
मतलब
ma'am.
उनका बिहेवियर वेरी बैड होता है. तो बिफोर हैंडलिंग दैट टाइप ऑफ कंप्लेन ही कंपोज हिमसेल्फ वेरी काम. सॉरी, हिमसेल्फ बिफोर हैंडलिंग ही कंपोज हिमसेल्फ. ओके. Yes, second one.
Yes, ma'am.
Second one. Nitin, read the second one.
When gets
Even when guests arrived unexpectedly early, she kept her cool and stayed perfectly composed.
Yes. Even when guest arrived unexpectedly, अगर कोई गेस्ट बिना बताए अचानक से आ जाए तो what we should do? We kept her cool and stayed perfectly composed. Okay. Now frame the sentences, everyone. One
Ma'am.
line. एक one
The
line.
teacher,
One
okay,
is
I'm saying,
yes, yeah.
yes. The teacher stayed composed in front of the aggressive principal.
Yes. Right. Good. Yes. Again, next.
Ma'am, the
Virat-
manager was composed.
Composed mind makes a man wiseful decision. Composed mind, शांत माइंड क्या करता है? Makes a man wiseful decision. भाई शांत दिमाग से तो हम डिसीजन ले सकते हैं अच्छे से.
जी.
ओके.
Okay, ma'am.
Keep yourself composed while speaking in public. Keep yourself composed while speaking in front of anyone. In public. In front of your colleague. Keep composed yourself. Right?
Right.
Mm.
In every situation or what?
Yes, dear Anita?
Keep composed yourself in every situation or what?
Yes. I'm giving only one example. While speaking, keep composed yourself while handling your kids. Being a mother. और इन प्रोफेशन में भी आप जो भी. Okay.
Ma'am.
Keep compose yourself while giving presentation in front of your senior. Okay. Next. Combine. What is
Amalgamate.
Yes.
Amalgamate.
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 Amalgamate. Okay. Which means combine. Okay, that is something very hard you can use, but okay, it's okay. Whatever you like the word you can use. Combine. Amalgamate. What is the meaning of combine? मतलब combine क्या करता है मुझे बताओ. Combine क्या करता है?
Together.
One या combine one या more things in a one. मतलब एक से ज्यादा चीजों को किसी एक चीज में कर देना, बना देना. ठीक है, मतलब वो मिक्स कर देना. मिक्स. ओके, राइट. मिला देना, विलय कर देना. चलो, जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल टू कंपनी. एक सेकेंड वी हैव टू. यस, फॉर एग्जाम्पल टू कंपनी what decided to amalgamate. Two company decided
to
amalgamate. Okay. While taking my session we are decided to amalgamate. हम लोग सब लोग एक जैसे हो जाते हैं. Speaking. No one keep silent yourself. Everyone
My
has.
mother.
Who is?
Ma'am.
Yes. Continue.
We, ma'am. My parents decided me and my brother to amalgamate in same school.
Yes. In same school. Good. Other. Fast. We should amalgamate ideas.
Amalgamate. Okay.
Amalgamate. Yes.
I amalgamate Suji and Inu while making ढोकला.
Yes. आपने ingredients को amalgamate कर दिया. Good.
Yes.
Good. Being a yes. Okay. Other.
Ma'am, we amalgamate two teams.
Okay. Other. She managed to amalgamate modern interior style. Okay.
Ma'am.
Yes, dear. Tell me.
Two friends
amalgamate.
Indian government decided amalgamate Bank of Maharashtra in State Bank of India.
Yes, you can see.
Two friends are decided amalgamate business.
What again? Come again, Santu.
Two friends are.
Two what? Two gents.
Decided to
Your voice is
amalgamate business.
You can
Two
also
friends.
write it. You can also your answer write in the
Friends,
chat.
they are decided amalgamate.
Who is right, ma'am? Okay. Yes. Amalgamate. Okay. Yes. Amalgamate. Okay. Now. Next. This is our last. Okay. You can amalgamate. Yes. Read this one. Chandan, read this first one fast.
We managed to amalgamate modern inter-style with the traditional elements in the
home renovation. Okay. Yeah. Dushyant, read the second.
Ma'am, can I leave, ma'am?
Yes. Who is?
Can I leave, ma'am? I'm not feeling well physically, ma'am. Suffering from a viral flu infection, ma'am. So I have to leave, ma'am.
Ranjit, you are
Yes,
saying?
ma'am.
Ranjit,
Yes.
एक second. बस only 2 minutes. I'm completing my session. Okay. Wait.
Okay.
Yes. So the the two transport companies amalgamate their vehicles to grow their business. Okay. Now you can easily, this time you can easily now match this all the words. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Now we have,
Understandable.
okay, a second. So
Got it, ma'am. Got it.